Did you know that some flowers can thrive without any watering at all? Imagine having a beautiful garden that practically takes care of itself. Just think about it, no more worrying about daily watering schedules or wilted plants. Sounds pretty amazing, right? In this video, you'll discover 5 incredible flowers that are perfect for a low-maintenance garden, allowing you to enjoy stunning blooms without the hassle of constant watering. Whether you're a busy bee or just don't have a green thumb, these flowers are here to save the day. So let's dive in and find out which blooms are the best for your garden. Many gardeners struggle with keeping their plants hydrated, especially during hot summer months, leading to wilted, unhappy flowers. It can be a real challenge to keep up with the demands of traditional gardening. You know how it goes, you water them one day, and the next, they look like they've seen better days. Plus, if you go on vacation or have a busy week, those poor flowers might not survive. It's frustrating, and honestly, it can take all the joy out of gardening. But don't worry, there's a solution. We'll explore each of the 5 flowers, discussing their unique characteristics, how they thrive without water, and tips for incorporating them into your garden design. First up, we have the stunning lavender. This fragrant beauty doesn't just smell amazing, it's also drought-resistant. Lavender thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, making it perfect for those sunny spots in your garden. Plus, it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Next on our list is the sedum, also known as stonecrop. These succulent plants store water in their leaves, allowing them to survive in dry conditions. With so many varieties, you can choose from vibrant greens, reds, and even yellows to add a pop of color to your garden. They're also super easy to care for, just plant them, and they'll take care of the rest. Now, let's talk about black-eyed Susan. These cheerful yellow flowers are not only beautiful but also incredibly resilient. They can thrive in poor soil and need very little water once established. Plus, they bloom from summer to fall, giving you vibrant color for months. Our 4th flower is the coneflower, or echinacea. This tough perennial can withstand heat and drought, making it a fantastic choice for a low-maintenance garden. It's also known for its medicinal properties. You can enjoy its gorgeous purple blooms while knowing it supports local wildlife, too. Finally, we have the yarrow. This hardy plant can tolerate drought and attracts beneficial insects, making it a must-have for any garden. With its feathery foliage and clusters of tiny flowers, yarrow adds a lovely touch to your landscape without demanding much attention. The highlight of the video will be showcasing the most resilient flower on our list, revealing why it deserves a place in every low-maintenance garden. Drum roll, please. It's the lavender. Not only does it thrive without water, but it also provides beautiful blooms and a delightful fragrance. Plus, its drought tolerance means you'll have a stunning garden without the worry of constant upkeep. Imagine walking through your garden, smelling that fresh lavender scent, and knowing it's thriving on its own. That's what I call a win-win. To wrap up, we'll recap the 5 flowers discussed: lavender, sedum, black-eyed Susans, coneflower, and yarrow. Each of these beauties can transform your garden into a vibrant, self-sustaining space that requires minimal effort. You can enjoy the blooms and the benefits of a low-maintenance garden without the stress of constant watering. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite flower from the list, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. I can't wait to hear about your gardening adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy